Cokoyam. Okay, this box just came today. And it's heavy. I have a lot of items in here. As you can see, it has Fragile on the box. Before I get started, I wanted to mention these. I didn't tell you about these because I didn't order these actually from the Korean store or the Asian Cokoyam store. These, you can find these in any store, or you can buy them online too if you don't want to do any shopping in the stores. Like we go to the store is not very much because we don't want to be out with the pandemic and everything, but these are really good with salads. You can break them up into smaller pieces and put them on your salads. Or you could just eat them by themselves. But I just thought I'd share this with you because they're very delicious. Okay, now onto the package. I've already cut open the box, so these are some of our favorite Korean brand of snacks. And when we go to our local store to buy these, the bags are much bigger than these. I just noticed that these bags are so much smaller than what we get at the store. So I ordered a chili flavor. These are really good. And another bag of these. We also have a bag of these honey twist snacks. I was looking for the sweet potato snacks because those are like one of my number one favorites, but they didn't have those unless I just missed them some sort of way. But I usually just get all of this stuff at our local store. We just don't want to have to go to the store that much, and when we order like our vegetables and fruits and all those other things that we get, like household items and stuff, you can just go to the park. There's an area where you can park at. You place your order online and they'll bring that out to you after you've ordered. But whether you go inside or they bring it out to you, we always sanitize our stuff with Lysol wipes. And these are still hard to find in some areas, I know, so good luck finding them. I haven't had these before. Oh, dropped my phone. Is this working? Okay. I've never had these before. Let's see. Okay, there we go. So, are they snacks, or I just see that maybe this is cereal, really? Oh, if you know, then comment down below and let me know. I've never had these before either, but they look very interesting. Let's see, they're called a traditional Korean crispy cookie. So that should be good. Wow. Okay. As you can see, all of these are the Ace crackers, which I've already shown you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 of those. And I haven't had these before either, but these are the cookies. Let's see. And this is another brand. I haven't heard this brand before. And these would be really good for snacks or like after lunch or after dinner desserts. And here's another one, so I have 2 of those. Trying to get something that's not a double. These are coconut cookies. So I've got those. This is another double of the Okada chips, the chili flavored ones. So I have 2 chili and 2 cheese and onion, I think. Yeah. Okay, I've never had these before, but they sound delicious. Well, it says onion, so I love onion and garlic, but this just says onion on there, so I thought I would give these a try. Let's see, what else is there? Anything new I have? This is new to me. And I never had these before, but I ordered these for someone else. I need some water. And I saw a lot of people hauling these or trying these out. These are some sort of like ruffled potato chips. I'm trying to see what flavor they are. Like cheese gratin flavored. I've never had this before. Looks delicious. French cream? Oh, okay. Let's see. Another thing that I've gotten a lot of, these are very, very popular. It's called Oh Yes. But these are the cookies and cream flavored, and I've only seen the strawberry Oh Yes, and then I've seen the regular dark chocolate. So this is Oh Yes. Oh Yes. Cookies and cream flavored. And they are in individual packets. And then there's these. I I saw these in a store once, and I was thinking that they were from Thailand or China, but sorry. And so it's like peanut flavored. That is so cool. Alright, let's slip this one back in. And I've forgotten all the stuff I ordered. It's been a while. But then there's this one, Crown Lennox. Oh, like London. Oh, it's marshmallow. I don't really care for marshmallow type stuff. I didn't notice that when I ordered it. Okay. This is something else new that I'm trying. Oh, this is just another one of the chips. Like the Ruffles chips. Potato chips that you can get. This is what I think I'm most excited about trying because it sounds really good and interesting. I always pass these up in the store. I never tried them, but it's called a jelly. So I'm thinking maybe it's really Jello. Drinkable konjac jelly. And of course, I just had to get the peach flavor. Yum. Look at this. Wow, 7 calories. So it's probably just like Jello, right? Do you guys know? And I love the packaging that they have on their stuff. Love it. Okay, guys, I think that's it for now. I don't want to run out of space. So that is my very first Cokoyam haul. And I'm trying a few new things, which is like the jelly and the crispy cookies. So thank you very much for watching. Subscribe and take care.